Hey everyone, Gil Gray Man Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Day, the emergency survival plan we're going to cover is new births. And some of you are going to say, at our age, ain't no way we're be having new births. Well, what about your kids or your grandkids when they start having kids? That's can be a problem, especially if there's been a collapse or major disasters or other emergencies going on. You need to have a new birth survival plan in place for yourself and other relatives. Now, there are options for you to do this with ahead of time. A new birth survival plan does have a mitigation chapter for it, and that is learning beforehand how to do natural childbirth. And there are several programs out there. I personally am partial to the Bradley method because it comes off with the best training and the best dynamics for a true natural childbirth process. Now, there are other things to consider in it as far as possibly getting midwife training or becoming friends of a midwife that lives nearby that can help out in case of an emergency. And talking with a midwife or getting the midwife training, there are certain over-the-counter medications you can get. There are certain natural herbal, not remedies, but medications to take to help ease the natural childbirth. All right, so look into it and come up with a plan that'll work for you and your family for dealing with new births. All right. Now, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. And keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and grow your own natural, healthy food.